Action. Welcome to Pure Octane Garage. Hey Brandon, what do we got going today?
Adam's Mystery Buckets are back!
Cool.
The big hit last time of our 6 videos
Right?
so far. So why not do some more?
And who doesn't love a good mystery and a good unboxing?
And detailing products with that.
Heck yeah.
It's all fun stuff.
It's a win-win-win-win-win.
Yeah. So hey, why don't you get it out here and let's open that thing up and see what we got.
All right. Actually, it's on your.
Oh,
it's
on
on his side.
I'm sorry.
I'm not gonna. Ooh, that's a heavy one. But you got some good stuff in that.
Okay. Yep. Let's get this thing opened here. Thank you.
You have the honor, sir.
Surgical tools.
Precision cutting utensil. Just no finger cutting.
All right.
What do we got? What do we got?
What do we have? Oh.
I see a bucket.
Hey, I already see a bonus. It's a sealed bucket.
Oh wow!
The sealed lid. Last time there was no seal. It was just a bucket. So bonus there.
Wow.
Let's take this off. Do keep in mind I did order a couple extra products that are going to be in here. I'll take those out. We will not include those in the mystery bucket total.
Okay, got it. Do you remember what you ordered?
Let's see if I remember. Yeah, I have to look it up here. The lid is off.
Oh
So
wow!
no lid.
Nice sealed.
Packing paper. All right. Okay. Oh yeah, I remember. I ordered a good bit of extra stuff, so
Kind of peeking. I know I'm not supposed to do
this
that.
was an
but-
extra thing. I ordered a couple of these towels. This was extra.
And what else?
Oh man, maybe I am gonna have to look it up. This was extra. I have to it's kind of spoiling the fun of it when they put it in the same bucket, but
Yeah,
I get
yeah.
the shipping, right? Tire shine was extra, and a tire and rubber if I can find it in here. These towels. Okay. And if I'm wrong, we'll correct. I'll check the order and make sure. But there's one extra thing in here. And the tire and rubber cleaner was in my extra. That's it. So from this point forward, let's go through the rest.
So the rest is the mystery.
All right, Ryan. Go first.
Well, it looks like 2 applicator pads.
Let's see. Ultra foam shampoo.
Oh, cool.
Good stuff. We like this.
Yeah, I like that. Stuff works really good, and it smells awesome.
Good stuff.
Okay, what do we got here? We got VRT vinyl, rubber, and trim.
Ooh. Hey, I've never tried that, and I want to try that. That's good stuff.
Yeah, because you had mentioned that before.
All right, next one. Oldie but goodie. I should have given this one to Ryan. H2O Garden Gloss is back.
Garden gloss? No, guard and gloss. All right, what else do we got in here? Ooh, interior detailer. This stuff really does work good.
Yeah, goes on easily, protects. Great stuff. Ooh, this is the new all-purpose cleaner. It's green. Look at that color.
Oh, we have not tried that.
I'm excited to try that. Heavy-duty degreaser.
Let's see. Microfiber wash mitt. You can never have too many of the cloths and the wash mitts.
Especially dumb me drops them sometimes, and those are done.
Then it goes into the wash bin.
It goes into the clean the back underside of your car bin, right?
It's your turn.
Yeah, it's my turn. Yeah. Double soft polishing towel. Hey, we've gotten that before.
Oh,
Those
that's
are
awesome. Yeah.
soft, squishy.
Okay, I'm gonna sacrifice my turn.
I hear sprayers.
I mean, of course you need the nozzles. I'm gonna reach in. Okay.
those
Just
have
wanted
no,
to make
no
sure
monetary value.
Right. I wanted to make sure I got those out of the way.
All right, so tire shine.
Oh, wow.
Oops, I bought that. Nah, you'll go through it, right?
True. Yeah, it's not gonna
Gonna
go
use
bad.
It. I use all this stuff. So.
Oh, another applicator that I missed
Extra
from before.
applicator.
So we got 3 applicators.
Oh, last thing. The grit guard.
The grit guard.
Cool. We'll just put that. Well,
It's another good mystery bucket.
Very
We'll
good.
add all this up.
Figure out where we're at. Yeah. Like I said, we'll double check my side order there and make sure. I'm pretty sure, I can't remember if I ordered 2 or 3 of these towels, so it's possible one of those could have been part of this order. So
Okay.
we'll double check it and get the facts straight.
Hey, Brandon.
Actually, you know how we can double check it?
Oh, look, you got a packing slip.
There's the packing slip. Borderless gray. Oh, I ordered 2. So one of them goes with the mystery bucket. They threw in an extra. And let's see. Tire shine grip, tire shine, and tire and rubber, and the goo. Yep. So
Cool. Now we
were
got
off one
okay.
towel.
So all that
So
was part of the actual
borderless
bucket.
gray towel, which you like these things. I turned you on to these things.
Yes.
Remember?
Yep,
Love
yep.
those things.
So that does it for the
Does it?
for the May 2019 mystery bucket.
Mystery bucket it is. Wait a second.
Wait.
Does that do it?
No, it doesn't.
I think we have
Got a
something.
little. But wait, there's more.
There's more. Is it in a box? Oh no!
Another mystery bucket.
We thought comparing the luck of 2 buckets together would be a good idea.
Yep, that's right. We got one more to go through here. You
Move.
thought you were done,
Yeah.
but
I
no.
was hoping this video was over. But of course not. Here, we'll move this stuff out of the way since we all saw that stuff and
All right.
get this next bucket going.
Let's hope I don't.
It's always
myself.
surprising to see the different variety you're gonna get in that bucket.
Yeah,
I'm very happy with that bucket. That's a good bucket. It's not the big old jackpot buckets. Haven't hit that yet, but maybe
One of these times,
maybe
right?
you got ceramic spray in there or something, you know,
Oh, that would be.
or a ceramic coating kit.
All right.
That's
Well,
not heavy. I see a
see.
difference.
yeah. There's already a difference. Looks like a normal bucket. Let me get this
Oh, there's
box
something in the
out of
bottom
way.
there though.
Hey, there is something in the bottom.
You got. I know what that is. That's
Wow.
the seat for
The
your
seat.
bucket.
Look at that.
Take a break.
Finally, a place to sit.
Ooh, a little cushy neoprene or something. There.
So we
So
got
I got the seal. You got the seat. Let's see.
we got the standard packing paper. All right. Let's see. You know what? I'm gonna give you that.
Oh,
Go
yeah,
ahead and
thanks, man.
grab out the first piece.
Oh, hey, that's a match. Microfiber
Hey.
wash, man. We just said you can't get enough.
That's right. All right. Let's see. Wait. I'm gonna
Go bottle.
Eco Wheel Cleaner.
I use that. I like that. Safe on all wheels. Brilliant glaze.
Oh wow.
That's. I've watched some videos on
I
this
have
stuff.
not used that.
Check the videos out. You gotta shake it up real good, from what I understand, and it will make your car pop. It's not something that lasts forever, but take the Camaro to show car. Pavilion's nice.
Cool. Yeah, I'll definitely. I'm looking forward to trying that. What else we got in here? We got leather and interior cleaner.
Perfect.
That's actually good timing because I just ran out.
Did you?
I did. So
the mystery bucket comes
I'm
through.
I'm happy about that.
All right.
Well, I'm happy about all of it.
Borderless plush gray towel.
Awesome.
I don't know
Yeah.
why I shake it. I could just show it and stop the
See
shaking.
what do we got in here? Oh, what do we got? Wash and wax. That'll be great for the truck.
That's the peach stuff.
That's perfect for the truck.
All right, I'm going with sprayers for you.
Handful of sprayers.
5 sprayers, so we know there should be 5 bottles, right?
Okay, reach for this one because I hadn't seen it. Spray wax.
They really want you to wax.
They really want me to wax. And this, again, it's good for the truck. It's the daily driver. It's out in the weather all the time. That'll be perfect.
Our paper's blowing away. All right. Carpet and upholstery cleaner.
Oh, wow.
I've never used that.
Yeah. Let's see. So, whoa. Interior detailer. You know, I don't think I have any of this, so that's a good.
Yeah. And you've used it multiple times.
Sure,
so yeah.
sure.
Go ahead. I think there's one more thing.
There is one more thing, and it's
looking.
soft. It's double soft.
A double soft towel.
Yep, polishing towel. Cool. Yeah.
All right.
Good bucket.
Seem kind of similar in value. We'll add it up.
Yeah,
and figure it out here.
we'll add them up and see how much we've saved with each.
But regardless, you get things you can use and you save money.
Yeah.
I guarantee
exactly.
$120 of product. I think is what it is. I guarantee you get at least $120 of their product for what do we pay? $69.99.
Yes.
No discounts though. No 15% off. Like you get it usually.
Right.
But anyways, love the mystery buckets. I think we did decent. You know, it's an average bucket. None of the jackpots yet, but.
Yeah, this is stuff that we, will use, so it's always a good thing.
I have one thing to share. Goo. This is a special.
What is that?
Special purchase for Shelly. Do you remember we were at Barrett Jackson at the Adams booth, and she was all about this stuff. It's the stuff, the sticky stuff you clean out your interior with. It's almost like slime. It looks like to me. And Shelly was all. Shelly's my wife, by the way. Was all about. I really want that stuff, and every time I ordered from Adams, I didn't get it for her, so I give it to her for her birthday. That's all she gets.
You're so kind.
$6.99.
That's cool.
Anyways,
that's neat.
And we'll report how that works.
Get down in the crevices and pull the dirt out.
Might be something the kids like to play with. It looks like fun.
Don't be eating it though.
Oh, should we? Oh, it's sealed. I can tell. You don't open it yet. That's alright. I don't think the best smelling stuff here, honestly, peach.
I do love the smell of the Ultra Foam shampoo.
It's kind of grapey, bubblegummy kind
of
smell.
It is.
Anyways.
So we
hang on a sec.
What?
No, there's no more.
You almost had me going there.
Just two. Okay.
So hope you enjoyed 2 Adams Polishes Mystery Bucket unboxings. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go ahead and click the notification bell so you get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Alright, thanks for watching, guys.
See you in the next video.
See ya.
Oh, it was off. Wait. Try it again.
Yeah, and hey Ryan, one quick thing. What's this called?
H2O, guard, and gloss.
He's got it.
I think I got it now, finally.
You got it. And I don't know if that's an outtake from the first video we did a while back. This was not coming out of his mouth correctly.
I'm never going to live this one down.
I should have said it that way too. Anyway.